In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn lingots in Duolingo. If you've heard people talk about lingots and gems and wondered what the difference is, you're in the right place. Lingots are Duolingo's older red currency, which you'll still see mainly on the website. On the mobile app, they've largely been replaced by blue gems. The way you earn them is the same. Do lessons, then claim your reward. I'll show you the exact flow so you can start building up your balance right away. First, open the Duolingo app and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main screen with your language path where your units and lessons are lined up. If you're using Duolingo on a computer, you'll see lingots as the reward. If you're on the mobile app, you'll see gems. Either way, think of them as the same concept, a currency you earn by learning and later spend in the in-app shop on things like streak freezes and other boosts. From the home screen, choose a section or lesson that's ready for you and tap Continue. This starts a standard lesson. Keep your sound on if it helps you catch pronunciation cues, and take a quick glance at any tips if they're offered at the start. Work through the questions, aim for accuracy, and don't worry if you make a mistake. Duolingo gives you immediate feedback so you can correct and move on. The important part is to complete the lesson all the way to the end so it counts toward your progress. Once you finish, head back to the home screen and look for the treasure or chest icon. This is where you claim your reward for completing lessons. Tap the chest to open it and you'll receive your currency, gems on mobile or lingots if you're on the web experience. If you don't see the chest right away, scroll a bit on the home tab and give it a second. Sometimes it appears after the completion animation wraps up. Keep in mind that rewards can vary based on your activity, but the quickest loop is always the same. Do a lesson, return home, and claim from the treasure chest when it's available. That's it. Open Duolingo, remember that mobile shows gems while the web shows lingots, complete a lesson from the home screen, and then tap the treasure icon to collect your earnings. Repeat this routine and you'll steadily grow your balance while improving your language skills.